Hey guys, this is SPC Cranford 1056 along with Lego Fanatic Theorist 1056. We are watching this squall, cold front come through with very strong. Whoa! God dang it, I missed it! There's a big C-to-C lightning bolt right there. I missed it, guys. I'm sorry. Anyway, this is part of the cold front. Yeah, you will hear the thunder from that in a moment. As you can see, it's raining now. Let me just check the radar here for you. Oh, there's the thunder. The thunder is considerably far away. Adam, right now it's raining. Here's a radar for us. As you can see, the storms are actually pretty strong. Most of the lightning is up north because that's where the stronger cell is currently located. There is a stronger cell out west. However, I don't really know what the heck's going to happen with that just yet. So if I just keep this here, maybe we'll pick up another lightning. The rain, it is currently raining, as you can see.
Along with, can you say your name real quick?
SPC Cranford 1056.
No, now, can you give me an update? God damn it.
Yes, the radar update is there is a storm that is located just off the border of Delaware.
How strong is it?
Yellow.
No, alright. Thank you. I'm trying to get this.
So as you guys can see, it is now raining here. On the sidewalk here is your radar. Just a moment ago, we witnessed a cloud-to-cloud lightning bolt right there. I missed it because I was showing you guys the local Doppler. As you can see, it's raining. Oh, yeah, even though it's not weather-related in there, right there, that's a mommy bird right there. She is laying eggs. Yeah, there's a nest. So yes, the rain is coming down quite well now.
Raining where you are?
Yes.
It's not raining here, but I can definitely see rain out on the cloud. That's what you see.
As you can see, no lightning has been reported so recently just yet.
It's got so much colder, I'm going to definitely shift it here.
Smells good.
Chilly. Yeah, I feel I'll check myself. I'm going to check what the temperature is.
Let's just check to see what weather alerts we have in effect right now. This is what was. I'll double check that in just a second. Once this loads. So yep, the rain is coming down.
Hey Mom, can you check the temperature right now?
According to this, the only alerts that are actually in effect are flash flood warning, special marine, severe thunderstorm watch, all these. No severe thunderstorm warnings anymore. However, that does not mean that bad weather can not happen. Now, if we look over there, we got some nice clouds. God dang it, mosquito. Alright, here are your weather alerts for right now.
76.6. Now the temperature dropped to 76.6 from really probably low 80s early before the storm. Or rather, if the cell approached it.
Yeah, so as I was saying, I was right. There is a cell that I was currently targeting right here. It has moved. Oh, I'm sorry. Hold on. Let me just put this down. Oh yeah, Tornado Watch 313 has been canceled. Oh yeah, Adam, look. Oh, you can't see, but there's the cell, right? Hold on. The cell that was producing the lightning just a moment ago is that one right there. I'm watching this one right there by Trenton, if you can see that. That one looks to be actually pretty strong. Now, that one should be coming in pretty soon. The one that was producing the lightning is just north of me. So that's why the lightning was seen there and not anywhere else. Now, if we just take a look back up here at the storm, we can see that we have some nice clouds still developing around here.
Yeah, no, these are moving northeast, so that was expected actually.
Here's the national weather alerts right now. Hold on.
I know, it's probably still in Chesapeake Bay anyway. Oh, look at this cloud up here, guys. Hold on a second.
My neighbor is not wearing a
Maybe it's
shirt.
just, that's probably a couple miles away.
Then you got a tropical storm warning right there. Alright, now.
Hey Matt, can you check the any alerts info for me other than flash flash?
Alright, now the rain's actually coming down quite well. There is no lightning. Yes, I am doing it.
Sorry, just, yeah.
You have a flash flood watch, a special weather statement, and a hazardous weather outlook.
Okay, good, thank you.
Oh, dude!
I'll be right back.
Dude! Your special weather statement reads the following.
Go ahead.
A gust front from a strong thunderstorm should affect Atlantic, Burlington, Cape May, Camden, Cecil, Cumberland, Gloucester, Kent, Mercer, Middlesex, Monmouth, Newcastle, and Ocean and Salem counties. At 8:22 p.m., National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated a gust front from a strong thunderstorm. Is extending from a line. Winds up to 40 miles an hour. Are possible when this gust front comes through. This gust front might redevelop some additional showers and thunderstorms. This was issued 2 minutes ago.
Oh, wow.
Alright, so actually, down there we have some nice clouds. Rain's coming down quite well, as you can see on my bird bath. Additional, no lightning has been reported just yet. However, I do hear some thunder in the distance. No lightning yet. I think it's going to be canceled soon.
Yeah, I think so too.
The only other alerts that I'm probably going to get tonight are flash flood or any of that.
Special marine warning.
That's possible.
Wow, this is a nice line now.
Look at that, guys. Now the rain is coming down quite well, as you can see here.
This one was literally like not even a mile away from me now.
Wow, it's cooler out here.
Yes, because that's why the cold front came through. Well, it's coming through right now, and it's bringing colder temperatures behind it.
I tell ya,
A few minutes ago, Daniel, I saw a cloud-to-cloud lightning bolt right there.
Did? Huh? Oh, is it like the flash? Like a camera flash?
Hey, Ben, Mom's going up to read. Okay, there we go.
Matthew, we bought you one of these too.
oh my god, it's so goddamn dark now.
We bought you it in pink because you like
Oh my god, it's insane.
it. You said
Oh, weather alert! Get out of the way.
Silence, okay?
Yeah, no, alert. No. know it is, yeah.
The National Weather Service in Upton, New York has issued a special marine warning for Long Island Sound west of New Haven, CTPORT, Jefferson, New York, until 9:15 p.m. At 8:27 p.m., National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated a thunderstorm, producing strong winds over 35 knots over Execution Rocks, moving east at 15 knots. The thunderstorm will be near Hempstead Harbor around 8:35 p.m., Captain Harbor around 8:50 p.m., Stamford Harbor around 9 p.m., Cold Spring Harbor around 9:05 p.m., Huntington Bay, Long Neck Point, Norwalk Islands around 9:15 p.m. Mariners can expect gusty winds, high waves, dangerous lightning, and heavy rains. Boaters should seek safe harbor immediately until this storm passes. A severe thunderstorm watch remains in effect until 10 p.m. Tuesday evening for southern Connecticut and northeast New Jersey and southeast New York. Repeating, a special marine warning has been issued until 9:15 p.m. for the following marine location: Long Island Sound west of New Haven, Connecticut to Port Jefferson, New York.
Yeah, that's right over there.
Here is the forecast.
Okay, just got a special marine warning. I'm turning it off. Don't worry. Okay. Okay. So here's the squirrel on the WR120. Here is the squirrel on the 519. Okay. And here is the scroll on
lower 80s. Northeast winds around 5 miles per hour. Becoming south in the afternoon. Chance of rain 40%.
Pretty close to me. I might probably a couple thousand feet from the edge of this rain.
Okay.
Yeah, that's because of raining out my equipment. But yeah, on this one from my pocket, I'm not going to
Test office located.
but I'm going to not be available for like a minute or so. Okay?
That's fine.
Alright.
Alright, bye.